Hey guys, RC Bros Productions here. This is going to be the final quick update on the Sport Cruiser project, and here's why. It's complete, 100% done. So, I actually found a way to do motor standoffs. So instead of putting a spacer between the motor mount and the firewall, I cut three little metal, they're 3/4 inch long. They're little metal like rods that are hollow, and I had extended screws that happened to fit the blind nuts on the back of the motor mount. So I just cut them to length and then have the motor stand off about 3/4 inch off the motor mount, and that allowed enough room for the cowl. The cowl fits. I got it screwed in, centered, looks good. I got the prop on, the spinner on. Everything is completely 100% ready to go, as well as the center of gravity has been balanced and it is perfect on the spot. So I'll be showing a picture of the motor mount with the standoffs right now. Alright, now I'm going to plug it in for you guys and show you the power that this thing has, and it has a lot. It is ridiculously powerful. Okay, transmitter on. I'm gonna set the camera up right here, just for the time being. Okay. Okay. Gonna bring you guys back here. There we go. All right, here goes. Yeah, this thing is ridiculously powerful. I can barely hold on to it at full throttle, and it creates so much wind. It's like a hurricane. I can't wait to fly this thing, and next video on this thing will be the maiden flight, hopefully coming very soon, because it looks like in about 5 to 6 days we're going to have a really nice long stretch of some beautiful weather, 60s and 70s and low amounts of wind. So I can almost guarantee you this thing is going to be in the air early April. Thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.